This GROWNEER Bonsai Training Pot set provides 3 generously sized rectangular containers that are ideal for developing larger bonsai trees and other deep-rooted plants. The integrated drainage grid and multiple holes at the base promote strong root health by letting excess water escape while keeping the soil securely in place. Each pot sits on a matching humidity tray with raised supports, so the containers stay stable and any runoff is neatly contained instead of spilling onto your shelf or floor. The included waterproof repotting mat makes messy jobs like transplanting, pruning, and fertilizing much cleaner by catching soil and water on a tabletop-friendly surface. Durable plastic construction stands up well to repeated watering and outdoor exposure, making these pots suitable for both indoor displays and garden use. With their simple, unobtrusive design and versatile size, these training pots work well for bonsai, succulents, and other decorative plants while adding a tidy, organized look to your growing area.